Leo, and today we'll be unboxing Tales of Exile and Fire Emblem Awakening and Monster Hunter 3 Ultimate. Oh yeah, this is, hey, what's up today? Yeah, stop it!
Stop, honey.
Yeah,
Why would you do that?
We'll be doing unboxing.
Sorry, Andrew.
It's okay.
Can you see why? How you push his buttons? That's not necessary, right?
Get that knife. Oh.
Are you even...
I'm trying to make it so the computer runs a little faster because Andrew has about 500 things open here. And that's why our computer runs so slow.
You're the ones with the most memory, like that one.
Well, this one looks like it's a operation cannot be complete. That's running on mine, not on his.
Here we go. Put away my. Here. I'll start with this one. Here we go. Yeah, this one side. Oh, here we go. We got.
Wait a minute.
Wait.
Did you delete something that's in Roblox?
No.
I think it's because of all that.
Yeah, and it has CD on it. Oh, whoops! Didn't mean to do that.
Alright, let's go back.
Just open it. Grab my knife. Oops. Here we go. Okay.
It's because of what, I think.
There we go. This is the CD. Let me take a good quick look at it. Yeah. Go back up. This way. Next.
I lost my account on Roblox.
You didn't lose anything. Okay? You want to get out of the chair so I can sit down and you can not say stuff like that?
Okay.
Okay. Good thinking.
Here we go. Okay. Megan, please stop. Right, glasses away. Ugh. I don't know what it is, but. Oh wait, I'll show you something before we get into unboxing. Fire Emblem Awakening and Monster Hunter 3. Yep, I got the 3D, my 3D LAN case right here. And yeah, okay, let's put it away. Yep, let's open Fire Emblem Awakening first. Yep. Okay. Right. Megan, please stop.
Why? You're not using it.
You know what? Are you recording all of this, Andrew?
Yeah. Yes. Okay. So use it.
Roblox.com/game card.
Okay.
Okay.
Got this. You can check your great games from the label down here. Yeah, this way here. instructions I can read on my own time.
Login, right?
And I can read on my own time actually because
I know what it is.
I know sometimes I'm good at this, sometimes I'm not good at this. Yeah, put it back. Yeah. And here is my Club Nintendo points right here. Yeah. Okay.
Scratch off the pin below.
And this is Fire Emblem Awakening game card. Let's take a quick look at it. Yeah, back. Okay. Hey, last but not least, is Monster Hunter 3. Okay. Whoops. Right. So we need to play those games. We got some of it unwrapped right here. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Wait. Oh, my games.
Can I get a Roblox account, Mom? You already have a Roblox account.
No, I don't. It's a guest one.
Yeah.
It's a guest one.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I get one, please?
Sure.
Back right here. Yeah. Let me see. It's clever to know. Ugh. There we go. Oops. We got the Clementine points here. Put it here. Yeah, this is
Yeah, I did a lot of stuff.
Bye.
new guide.
What?
2,000.
I think we need to go there.
Wait, sometimes I don't
This one's
get used to
50 hours,
controls and I use this sometimes.
How about we go to...
This one?
Yeah,
Wait
because...
for it. Okay, there we go. Put back. Wait. Here it is. So I'm free onto it.
Space.
Oh, yeah, do space.
Yeah.
Space.
So we're gonna do all
Space.
Let's Plays on it. And the PlayStation 3 ones too. Okay.
You have successfully redeemed your card. Your balance is $40. Okay?
Right.
So you can put get Roblox credit and spend it on Robux, Classic Builders Club, Turbo Builders Club, or Register.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh, that's how we
Now what do
turn
you
off
need to
this
do?
video. I'll open those
You can just go to the home menu.
two of those on my own time.
Let's go to customize the character.
All right, so
No.
you're a guest because why? Because when you have to set it up, you have to have an email. I can't remember. What did we do? You have yours. You don't have one
I
right
think
now?
we just need
No.
an account.
I don't think so.
You just need an account, Andrew?
Yeah, I think we need a regular...
A regular
Roblox
Okay,
account.
so
account.
I'll
Brilliant.
open
Oh, fine.
two of those on my own time.
Okay. Do you want to stop so we can get you a Roblox account?
So I'll end it
Okay,
off.
stop because it's 8.5 minutes long already. So stop
Alright,
it.
so I'll open those on my own time. Yeah, bye. I'm Mario. Now end this. Yeah, bye.